Today we're going to be reviewing the Poppin Velvet Notebooks. They're so soft. Yes, I've been just rubbing my face with these velvet notebooks. So let's check them out because I actually have not seen velvet notebooks. Even though I say you can make them, I actually don't know anybody else making velvet notebooks. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings like today on Saturdays. Now we are looking today at Poppin notebooks. Now they're not actually a stationery company. If you've never heard of Poppin before, it's probably because you do not own a co-working space, because they mainly sell office furniture for co-working locations because they're kind of cute and comfy, or I guess you could say a modern office, but all of the corporate offices I work at would never have something as cool and fun as the furniture that Poppin has. And when I say cool and fun, it comes at a very high price. It's about, I think I saw one couch where I was like, that might actually be nice to stick in my living room. Now, the good news is these were not as expensive. So this was $12. It is an 8x10 notebook with lined pages, and it has the velvet cover, and it has ruled, just lined pages on the inside. This is a pad folio, so this was a bit more expensive, I believe, because it's larger. This was $25. It does have a folder inside and a place to hold a pen, and then it has a pad, which obviously you can replace this whenever it runs out. So this in theory could go on for infinity, whereas this, I don't know, it's kind of sad because these pages are so nice and soft, and what will you do when the pages run out in a notebook? Because obviously you can't just keep reusing it. So I have been reluctant to start using this because it is so nice. But this is, so total, all of this together with tax was about a little over $39. And they did have free shipping. They'll offer you free shipping at the end if you do FedEx Ground. You could do 2-day, but quite honestly, this came in 2 days anyway with free shipping, so I don't know why you would bother. So let's take a look and see what it actually looks like up close. So it came in this really cute branded box. It says Poppin on this side, and then over here it says happy to cut corners for you, and then just Poppin over here. But it's really too big to fit under the camera, so I'm just filming it separately. And inside of here you can see they actually have the air, whatever the containers, the air things that are branded with their name. How's it going? Poppin.com. See you in the supply closet. Hello. Nice Tigs. How's it going? So it's really cute. So it comes with just one sheet that shows you everything that you purchased on one side, and then on the other it has Find Your Work Happy Fortune. I think it's one of those things that you put your finger and your thumb into, and then and then press together, and then you can do a little fortune. So that's kind of cute. But underneath all of that branded air packing bubble stuff came the two things that I ordered. So this is the large pad folio writing pad. So it's 10 by 12.5 inches, and it comes with 50 sheets inside of it. So it has this nice plastic wrap inside of it. So we will just take it off. And I know what you're wondering, is it as soft as it seems? And yes, it is as soft as it seems. I don't even know, this thing is so big, I don't even know if it fits in the whole camera. Let me try to change the angle. There we go. So it does look very luxurious. It feels very soft. You have this, I want to say rose gold, but it's more like, I guess copper and rose gold are about the same thing. Little logo here on the front. You have a pocket inside of here, and it's pretty firm. And then you have a pencil holder, and let me grab a pen. So yeah, it's pretty firm. It just kind of holds it in place. And then you have a pad folio. So lines on one side and then blank on the other. And let's go ahead and try writing in it and see, does it bleed through? So let's go ahead and test that out. I mean, not that it matters, you could put any pad in here. So it does ghost. And remember, I do like using these liquid ink pens from Pilot. And it does bleed through just a little bit if you hold it down too long, like I did on that O. So yeah, so it's a one side only. If you use liquid marker, I'm sure if you use other things, it's probably fine. So let's go ahead and check out the other one that I purchased. And this is a velvet spiral notebook. Now this one is much smaller. It's 8 1/4 by 10 1/2, and it has 80 sheets in it. And we'll go ahead and just rip the plastic off over here. So same thing, looks really nice and luxurious. And I don't know, I'm guessing this is like a special type of velvet because it almost looks, I don't want to say crushed velvet, but it kind of has a sort of pattern with how the light hits it versus just a straight up velvet, but it's really nice. And then you have the rose gold coil over here to match, and you have a nice cover here. And I like how it doesn't say anything. Like I could write my name, I could write what the name of the notebook is. So you get one page that's kind of like cardstock. I'm going to guess this paper is kind of the same, that same thickness, and it looks exactly the same, but it is a smaller notebook. So very nice, very pretty, really like it. Anyways, they are very soft, they feel very luxurious, and it does make you kind of sad because the pad folio you can keep reusing, but when the notebook's done, the notebook is done. But I guess it could be kept around for photos, although I never take flat lay photos for Instagram or anything. I don't know. Some people are amazing at it. I just lack whatever talent or skill is required to make photos versus making videos. Anyways, if you would like to make your own beautiful notebooks and stationery, make sure to sign up for my workshop, Noteworthy Notebooks. There is a link for that below, and I hope everyone is having a fabulous day, and I will talk to you guys next week. Bye.